Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Maildoso and Manyreach. So to get started with a quick overview. Maildoso is an AI-powered cold email automation platform focused on email deliverability, personalization, and discoverability. It helps business warm up domain, run personalized campaign, and track performance, making it ideal for agencies and sales teams. Then talking about Manyreach on the other side is designed for simple, effective cold email outreach, prioritizing the easy of use and high deliverability. Its main appeals to the clean interface, easy setup, and affordable pricing, catering to solopreneur, freelancers, and small teams. And talking about the strength and the weakness of this platform, starting with the model. So it's an AI driving email personalization at scale. It doesn't integrate with domain and inbox warm-up together with the smart sending to avoid spam folder. Then talking about this platform weakness with its Maildoso, it has a slight steeper learning curve for beginners and it can be overkilled for small outreach. And also the pricing may not suit the freelancers or a solopreneur. Then talking about Manyreach on the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness. It has a very good friendly interface, which is part of the strength, and a fast setup with a minimal learning curve, and it's affordable plan for small scale business. And talking about the downside of this platform, it has a limited advanced personalization features and no native warm-up tools required for separate version, and a lack multi-channel outreach option. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. So if you need a robust code outreach platform with a built-in warm-up, advanced personalization, and scalability, apt for this platform, just go for Maildoso. On the other side, if you want an affordable, simple code email tools for straightforward outreach without a complex features, just opt in for Manyreach. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you're thinking on any of these two platforms. Thanks.